Hi everyone, before we start that video, you watching me, if it's your first time here, that channel, before watching the video, go down, there is a red thing, writing in it subscribe, in French abonné, click at it, next to it there is that bell notification, activate it for always anything new came to you, and leave a like or a dislike or whatever, depending on your brain. Leave a nice comment, and if you like the video, share it with your friends for the information to reach to everyone. Finish the video till the end, because there is very informative information here in that video, and they are going to change your life, believe me. Enjoy the video. Hi my friends, hope everybody's great. It's okay. Entering the British pound, US dollar, because the US dollar is weak. Because there's problems between European and USA, but we don't care. The prices give us like that, high and low. It's going to give us high. Yeah, don't enter from here, because I'm not sure if it's going up, because it's down then 250. So prices move like that, then it gives us that candle, that one, because we are enter base on the enter last night, because it is not 12 o'clock. So prices gave us that doji. We're waiting that one to finish, because that one is the confirmation, because always when it came a doji like that, you need a confirmation. It can long or buyers, they are in the power, that means prices will go up. If it came down, sorry for the price came down, the sellers they are in power, and the prices will go down, will start going down. So close, it came that doji down. We're waiting the confirmation, the candle, the green candle here. Now there is the power for the buyers. We are enter from here, from the close of that one. And the first I put the stop loss here. I'm going to tell me put too far. Yes, because we know the manipulation is happening in that market. Then today when the price is crossing here, it's 27 minutes for that candle to close. And now the price gave us what is the so total the price now it gave us that the bottom or W. I think W everybody know how to measure it. We always came here, but where is the tops? Is here. Came here from the top of the one till the dot like that. And the candle broke here. And let's move it here. That's where it's telling us here. I used to have it over here because that support. Let's say the price is going to come here. As you see, for the candle it's finished and the price still going up. Check here, it's going to give us 100, 138. Because we are going to here. We don't care where the price going. I think everything is very easy. And for long term, don't enter with big. I'm talking about. I'll teach you how to trade with low capital, and even your losses do not be big. So, if anything will happen, I will put it to you. See you soon, my friends. That candle when it's finished, then we talk. As you see, my friend, for our candle is finished. So, I move the stop loss here. When the price reach to that level here, also the half. Then we move the stop loss here, and I left it, or maybe here under the 200 MA. So let's wait what's going to happen. And the video don't be too long. Let's wait and see. Let's analyze it together to see what's going to happen here. If you bring that Fibonacci retracement here, prices came to that line, that zone here. Check the price is still going up. Here. Okay. And we bring the Fibonacci retracement here. So this thing 161.8 is here. It's far away. I change the color for the green. Good. On here, well here, it's made it Fibonacci retracement. The picture to be clear. I think the price is still going up. Also, as we said, here we sold the half. That price was sold in the half. Then moving the stop loss here on the target. Move it here. So from here to, I will not make it for you out from here till there. That's 500 something pips. Oh, if anything happened new, I will put it to you. The video don't be too long. See you soon, friends. As you see, my friend, the price is reached to the level we set first, and me I put it high, because now it came some news about the PMI or whatever his name of USA. PMI. It's kind of PMI for the US dollar is not good. So also we put it here. We'll close the half now. As I told you, we'll close the half here. Also we enter by 0.01. Closing the half here. Then we move the stop loss here, and we lift it to go. No matter where it will go, else we target it. We have put it here in that place. You're going to tell me where you move it here, because over here that 161. I'll show you how to get it in the first place. I'm gonna put it here because the support here, as you see it, over here we got a support, and over here we got a support. Prices came here and go back, came here and go back, so also we put it there. So we have the price, and I'm sure it's going to cross all that one. So for the video, don't be too long. If anything happens, I will put it to you. See you soon. As you see, my friend came back because naturally something new happened. I will put it to you. Now the price is giving us that candle down. Let's zoom it for see it very well. Price now it's giving us that candle, but it's still 7 hours for 4-hour candle to finish. And London now it closed, so it always happens that drop. Also we protect our target here, but here, over here I sold the half. And now also we're still waiting what's going on. Yep. If the price is going to continue and break that zone, or it might is going to go back from here to here, then up. You never know what's going on, because that market is mad. Also enter from 60, it might the price go back till here and hit the stop loss, then go back up. Let's see what's going on, because no matter what happened, also we're doing our analysis and we left it to go up. That's why the price came back till here, go up till that side down. Let's back till now that one. So I told you back that color to the yellow. As you see it, that price of 61. As you see, so I told you 161. So let's wait and see what's going to happen now. So I told you every time, don't need to be wait until that candle it's finishing. And that candle, if it's finished like that, that's when the price is going to drop. If it go back up, that's our business we do here. We're doing our analysis, we're doing everything, then we're waiting, because that pair, British pound, this is the US dollar, now is going to close down. London, that's when there is, they will not support the Americans, they will support the pair of them, so that way it might you see that pullback. So let's wait and see what's going to happen. So if something happening, I will put it to you. For the video, don't be too long. I'll see you soon. As you see, my friend, I came back. As I told you before, here I will enter another sell. So now also we are winning from both sides. The one side is scalping anything. So I think I will close both of them now, because now is it 8 o'clock. So for the video, don't be too long or anything. So if it's your first time here in our channel, please leave a comment and subscribe and share the video, and don't forget the notification bell or anything new to get to you. It's like that. So of course we went from both sides, up and down. I'll see you soon, my friends. Bye bye.